Hello friends, thank you for watching all our videos. I will promise to give you the best. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, NOLLY Rainbow Kids. Click the red button below. Also give us a like. Be fast now. Be fast, I don't want to go late to lesson.
If you're going to lesson late, that's what's my concern. So don't disturb me, please.
I should not disturb you. Time is not your concern. I don't want start to flog me again. No. Come and start this machine, let's go.
Time is not my concern. Even though you're going to lesson late, it's not my concern.
Come. Let's go to lesson, John.
Don't disturb me, just holding it there. Enter across the machine. Let me leave it from here.
Children, wait, Joe. Let us start the machine. Look at the standing.
It's only you that going to school. You're going to school to learning. Don't you know that education is not by force? So if I doesn't want to go in, it's not in your business.
What is education?
Don't allow me to bleach you now. Don't allow me to bleach you now, bleach or else I will slap at you here now. You crying to lesson. If you know what is better for you now, enter cause this machine. Let me leave it from here.
Start this thing, Jerry. Look at the standing. I know you have not on the machine.
Teacher.
Come on, machine, you cannot start.
I will bleach you now. I will bleach you now. Enter cause this machine. Let me move it out from here.
Look at the standing. Leave that thing, Joe. Come on, machine. You cannot start. Come on, machine.
And the boss is machine. Let me move.
You got it. Are you through with your assignment? I want to go inside.
Okay. Really? Okay, bye-bye.
Precious, can I see what you're writing? Me? 2 plus 4, 16. 10 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 0. 14 plus 100, 8. 20 plus 7, 13. A whole big girl like you. Look at what you are writing. Shame! Look at what you are writing. Look at what you are writing. Just take a look.
Come. Holding it there. Don't insult me that I don't know how to solve it mathematics. Don't try it next time.
and she doesn't insult me. Just take a look at what a big guy like you is writing. Take a look at 2 plus 6, 13. Just take a look at.
Doesn't you know that I'm the one that takes first position in class?
First position. With this with this thing that you used to vomit out from your mouth.
Leave it from me.
I will punish you. I will slap at you. This, that. That's how we used to take first. Which means that your auntie is an illiterate. She don't know what she's recording. Nonsense.
Let me hear let you. It's only you that knows it how to solve it mathematics.
But you don't understand. You used to take first position with this thing that you are speaking here. Nonsense. Look at. Hey, 1 plus 7, 16. Nonsense.
You coming here now to embrace me in the mathematics that I'm working. Just look at. Can you solve this mathematics that you're here shouting like a bulldog?
Let me go and check this thing. What are you doing here?
You are asking me what I'm doing here. You are asking me what I'm doing here. Can't you see I'm studying my book? When I did not study my book, now you say I did not study my book. Don't disturb me now, unless you want to receive slap it.
You, it's okay. Let's go and eat. Chinedu is hungry. It's okay. Let's go and eat. Chinedu is hungry. I have finished cooking.
I don't want to eat. Even though I shall eat, are you the one to eat me? Don't disturb me, yo.
Let's go and eat. Precious, let's go and eat.
Get out from here. Get out from here. I'm studying my book. Get out from here.
So, please, close your book. Let's go and eat.
I don't want to eat. Even though I shall eat, are you the one to eat me? So don't disturb me. I'll bleach you here now. I will bleach you and I will slap you here.
It's okay. Before you bleach me, let me go. Nonsense.
I've told you I don't want to eat. Now. Nonsense. When I did not study my book, now you said I did not study my book. Don't allow me to bleach you here, oh. Don't allow me to bleach you.
Precious, what is the answer of this?
The answer of it is education.
You mean education?
Yes.
Spell it for me.
I
E
O
Q
U V A S Pom Q V I O arrow S U Y I C Recom Pom U V S Y W O Pom W S Y A B I K U J E Education.
Hey! You're going to school for nothing, Precious. Precious, you're going to school for nothing. Common education. You cannot spell education.
You are modest. You are modest. If you say that thing again, I'll slap at you.
Excuse me. You cannot spell education. Let me spell education for you. E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N. Education.
Shutting up your mouth. My own is longest, while your own is shortest. And you're here talk lesson rubbish. Your own is shortest, while my own is longest. If you say that thing again, I'll slap at you. Nonsense.
You don't know how to spell education.
I go late to school more than you. I go late to school more than you. So you're not coming here to embrace me that I cannot spell this education.
You cannot spell education. I'm failing.
One letter, I'll slap it. I'll slap it. One letter. Then why do you tell me to spelling it for you? Why you know it? You know it let it. Don't try let me again, though. Don't try let me again. Because I go late to school. I go late to school.
Hey, you cannot spell common education.
I'll slap at you. I'll slap at you. Don't ever insult me.
You are holding my change.
What's up your change?
You hold my 350. Come and buy
My sister, what is this girl sparking? What she's sparking? Can you question for me a little? What she's sparking? Who is holding your change? You.
You.
Me?
Yes. 350.
Shutting up your mouth there, Joe.
I will not shut up my mouth because of you heard me 350.
It's like you have not seen me before. It's like you don't know me. It's like you don't know me. I will kill you here now and I will bury grave you here.
Oh. Unless if you did not give me my change, unless I will beat you here.
Holding this girl, oh. Holding this girl. I will beat her. Oh. Holding this girl for me. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Eh? You lie at us. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Come. Oh. Precious. You are fighting. You leave where I send you and you are here, you are fighting. What is the problem? Why are you here fighting?
She hold me my change.
She's holding you your change.
Yes.
How much?
350.
Are you holding her 350?
Auntie, no. She's a liar.
Do you know her?
Auntie, I doesn't know in this girl. I doesn't know in this girl. In fact, I haven't met her before.
And you are fighting her?
Yes.
Did she know her?
Yes, until we have buy our food once and we have seen her once.
So why didn't you people give her her change?
She said like she don't have change. Then since 2 months now, she's holding her 350.
Why you say you don't know her?
Auntie, I've told you what I've told you before. I don't know this girl and I haven't met her before.
And you are here fighting her. Eh? My dear, sorry. Don't worry. How much is your change?
350.
It's alright. I will give you your 350. Where is your house?
My house is just here.
It's alright. Don't worry. I'll give her 350 to bring for you, okay? Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
See, you are a liar. Now I know that you're a liar. If I meet you again, I'll beat you. I'll beat you.
Oh. Keep on fighting. By the time I give you that slap, you know who I am.
You are a liar. If you're not shutting up your mouth there, I will slap at you there.
Okay, you say you don't know her. If you don't know her, how did she bought fruit from you? If you don't know her, how are you owing her 350? Eh?
Liar. Shutting up your mouth there.
If I don't shut up my mouth, what will you do? Will you slap me?
And you, when we reach in the house, you will see what I'm doing.
Wait, Jack.
Success.
Yes.
Have you finished what you are doing?
Yes.
Okay. Have you washed the plates?
Ask Chidendo.
Chidendo, have you washed the plates?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go eat inside and rest. Have you laundered my clothes?
Which of your clothes? Did you ask me to iron any clothes for you? I just ironed my clothes and left your own. You don't ask me to iron any clothes for you.
You mean I didn't give you any clothes to laundry for me? Ha!
You just kept that place. You don't give me any clothes to iron for you.
Oh, you are asking me. You are asking me. Success, you are asking me.
Yes, I'm asking you because you don't give me any clothes to iron for you.
By the time I go inside the house and comment back, you go and laundry my clothes. If not, just wait it for me. I'm coming.
All I know is that you don't give me any clothes to laundry to iron for you. Oh. Hey, you don't give me any clothes to iron for you. Oh.
Success!
Yes.
So it's not laundry my closet.
But you don't ask me to iron any clothes for you. You don't ask me to iron any clothes for you. Ask Chidendo.
Huh. And now neighbors have taken the light. Huh. Don't worry. When I finish cooking this food and you come to eat it, I will kill you today. That is why I just leave it to you both here to go and fetch it firewood. And you did not even laundry my closet.
You did not ask me to iron any clothes for you. I just ironed the clothes that I'm going to wear and go to lesson tomorrow.
Okay. No food for a lesus because I am lesus. Nonsense.
All I know, I'm not a lesus, so I'm not a lesus, so lesus is a car. Lesus 330 is a car. Stop calling me a lesus, so hey, hey. Children, let's go.
I am going to the city. I am going to the city to learn English. To learn English. I am going to the city to learn how to speak English. I am going to the city to learn how to
Precious,
speak English.
Where are you going to? What are you doing? Where are you going to?
Why harassing me? Why harassing me now?
Where are you going?
You're asking me where I'm going. I am going,
Precious,
to the city.
where are you going? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Finishing?
I never remember discussing with traveling of it.
Finishing? Okay, let me tell you. I am going to the city to learning English because when I get in there, my uncle's wife's and my uncle's children will teach me how to speak in English. They'll teach me how to speak home and calabus. They'll teach me how to speak agriculture. They'll teach me how to speak England. They'll teach me how to speak reciprocal and literatures. So don't ever harass me now on my way to the cities. Don't harass me now on my way to the cities. Leave it to me now. Oh.
School have not yet resumed.
Precious. Leave it to me alone.
Please.
Leave it to me alone. When I go into the city, you will see it me. I will know how to speak it English. Not this thing you are speaking here as if I can't speak my own. When I come back, you see me speaking my own. My uncle's wives and their children will teaching me how to every. They will teach me every. They will teach me reciprocal. They will teach me agroecology. They will teach me home and elastic. They will teach me England. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I promise you, I will be doing all the whole house chores, and also I will teach you how to speak correct English.
Wayo. Leave it me. Let me go into the city and learn it how to speak English.
Please. I promise you, I will teach you how to speak correct English. Please.
I am going there. So I will learn how to speak it English. So leave it me alone. And don't harass me again to stopping my movement.
Please, precious. Please. Let me join you.
Okay. Leaving it for one thing. If you're going with me, you teach us me how to speak in English.
Yes.
You teach us me how to speak in English.
Yes.
Not when you are going there now, you disappointed me. If you're going there now, you disappointed me. Okay, well, go and packing your things. Let's move out.
Thank you. Thank you for watching all our videos. We promise to give you the best. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. Click the red button below. And also share with your friends. Don't forget to give us a good comment. Thank you. Bye.